Guys, do you know you can create amazing videos like this with just a single prompt using Grok AI and Google Gemini? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something like this type of videos you are seeing right here. Using your own image, you can use your own image, you can use anybody's image to create something like this. But first, let me play these videos so that you guys are going to watch the video and see the video first.
Omo, this Naija don't tire me everything. Just the somehow. I am Learn AI with Musa. What about you?
Now you have seen the video. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can create something amazing like this using your smartphone. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So to create that type of video, the first thing you are going to do is to head over to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. Go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store. If you are using iPhone, you go to Apple Store. If you are using Android phone, you go to Google Play Store and you search for this app. Search for this app called Gemini. This app you are seeing here, as you can see, this Google Gemini. You search for it and install it on your phone. Now when you install it on your phone, make sure you open the app, you register on the app. So immediately you register, the next thing you are going to do is to click on create image here. As you can see, create image, something like this. You click on create image, and when you click on create image, you click on this plus icon. You click on it, then you upload your own image, any of your image, a selfie image of yourself, you upload it. Now I'll be using this my image I just uploaded right now. This image you are seeing, I'll be using this image. Now I will paste this prompt. Don't worry, I'm going to leave down this prompt I use in my Telegram channel. Just go to my Telegram channel and you are going to see this prompt together with the video of this. With the link of this video, you are going to see the prompt. Now, after you put the prompt, you click on generate and you give it some minutes. It's going to generate the video for you. It's not up to 1 minute. It's going to generate the image for you. Sorry. And after it successfully generate this image, we are going to use this image to create our video. Now, this is the image it generated for us. As you guys can see, this is the image it generated. So I can decide to save this, and also I can decide to set make him sitting in a living room. So something like this, you can decide to change the image. If you want to edit anything again from this image, you can also edit it. But if you look at the image and you look at me, this is me already. It shows me, realistic me. So something like this, as you can see. Now I like this. Let's click on save. So you save it to your phone. So immediately you save it to your phone. Now the next thing you are going to do is to go back to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you search for this app again. This app is called Grok. You search for Grok AI and you are going to see the app like this. As you can see, it's telling me to update, but I don't want to update right now. So you can just search for the app and you install it on your phone. After you install it, you register, and immediately you register, you open the app. You are going to open the app like this. When you open it, the next thing you are going to do is you click on imagine here, and when you click on imagine, you click on this photo icon here. You click on this gallery and you click on photo library and you upload that image you just created right now. This is the image we just created right now. So this is what you are going to do now. You write your dialogue, as in what do you want him to say. You click on this make video and you click on customize. Now, what do you want this to say? Anything you want it to say. Let's say says, I will say says only I am learn AI with Musa. What about you? So this is what I wanted to say. Let me just say, let me add something here. Using Nigeria tone. So I will click on continue, and in less than some minutes it's going to generate the video for us. As you can see, it's generating the video already. So let's give it some minutes and it's going to generate this video for us. So let's give it some minutes. And before it generates the video, if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel and today is the first time you are coming to this channel, please make sure you subscribe so that you'll be getting latest videos like this every time we drop new videos. Subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Now,
I am Learn AI with Musa. What about you?
Now, as you can see, this is our video. Let me play it again.
I am Learn AI with Musa. What about you?
Now, this is how you can do and you can create amazing something like this. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.